Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the meaning, nature and theories of intelligence with a special emphasis on multiple intelligence which are useful for your TET, DSC and other competitive exams. Let us start. Okay, meaning of intelligence. As per Albert Binet, intelligence is a good sense, practical thinking and taking action. So, and Binet focused on how we make good choices, understand the things, and reason. So, as per David Westler, intelligence how we act with a purpose, think clearly, and handle our surroundings. So, Westler saw intelligence as using knowledge in real life. So, nature of intelligence, there are four types: multidimensional, dynamics and changeable, varies by culture, nature and nurture. So what is multidimensional intelligence? Intelligence is made up of many different skills working together. Dynamic and changeable. Intelligence can grow and improve through life experiences. So it varies by culture. Each culture values are different kinds of smart thinking. Nature and nurture. Intelligence come from both genes as well as how we raised. Then Spearman two-factor theory. There are general factors, that is G, specific factors S, and the theory. So the general factor, main thinking ability that affects all the mental tasks, and specific factors as special skills needed for different types of tasks. The theory, all thinking tasks share one common ability. So Spearman used math to find these parts. So the G factor, the general factor, shows why people who do well in one test often do well and others too. Then Thurstone primary mental abilities. Okay, so he has divided in 6 types: verbal comprehension, word fluency, number facility, spatial visualization, associate memory, perpetual seed. Okay, verbal comprehension. So understanding the words, concepts and relationship between them. Word fluency, rapidly producing words meeting specific requirement. Number facility, performing basic arithmetic operations quickly and accurately. Spatial visualization, mentally manipulating objects in 3-dimensional spaces. Then associate memory, recalling paired items or associated between elements. Then perpetual speed, quickly identifying the visual details, similarities and differences. So reasoning, finding the rules or principles in problem solving situation. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this one. Then Cattell theory of intelligence. Okay, there are 2 types. One is fluid intelligence and crystallized intelligence. So what is fluid intelligence? Okay, it is represented by GF. Okay, general ability to think, solve new problems. It is there in highest in young adults. Example, solving puzzles, finding patterns, etc. It is less affected by schooling. Okay, it is a fluid intelligence. Okay, then crystallized intelligence. Okay, knowledge and skills gained through learning and life, grows throughout the life. Examples, word knowledge, facts about the world, strong shaped by culture background. So these are about the Cattell's theory of intelligence. So Sternberg's Triarchic Theory. Okay, it is divided into 3 ways: analytical intelligence, creative intelligence, practical intelligence. If you want, please take the screenshot and read again. So what is analytical intelligence? Ability to analyze, evaluate and compare information. What is creative intelligence? Ability to invest, discover and imagine the new solutions. Then what is practical intelligence? Ability to apply knowledge in real world setting. So Sternberg argued that traditional intelligence tests measure only analytical intelligence, neglecting the creative and practical abilities. Then introduction to Gardner's multiple intelligence. It is not how smart you are, but how you are smart. That is Howard Gardner said. So the theory says that the challenge, the research, the theory. So what he proposed, the theory, he proposed multiple independent intelligence. The research studied brain damaged patients with the special populations. Then the challenge, the Gardner question, traditional IQ test. This is about the Gardner's multiple intelligence, the research, the intelligence, the theory. Then here 8 types of multiple intelligence. Somebody writing, somebody explaining, somebody dancing, somebody doing painting, somebody singing or playing music, somebody doing some work, he is doing yoga and they are researching in the campus, like 8 types of multiple intelligence. Please remember, if you want you can take the screenshot. Okay, linguistic, logical, mathematical, musical, spatial, body kinetics, interpersonal and intrapersonal, naturalistic. So there are 8 types of multiple intelligences. Linguistics, word smart, reading, writing, storytelling. This is also one type of intelligence. Logical, mathematics, number smart, problem solving, reasoning, patterns. Then musical, music smart, rhythm, melody, sound appreciation. Spatial, what is that? Picture smart, visualizing, drawing, mental, imaginary. Bodily kinestics, body smart, physical coordination, movement. Interpersonal, people smart, understanding other communication. Then intrapersonal, self smart, self-awareness, reflection. Naturalist, nature smart, environmental awareness, classification. Then what is the education implementation of this one? So in order to assessment, in order to teaching method, for the classroom environment, inclusion. What is assessment? Creating diverse assessment method beyond the traditional test. Okay, not only paper and pen test, you can include the projects, performance, portfolios. This is a modern way of assessment. Then teaching method. It is not only teacher center, it is child center. So how you have to use the TLMs, use varied instructional approach targeting different intelligence, combine visual, auditory and kinesthetic activities. That is multimedia you can use. And the classroom environment, design learning center for different intelligence types, rotate students through various activities. So cannot sit one place, they have to rotate. Inclusion, recognize the value of diverse strength in all the students, build confidence by highlighting individual abilities. It is an inclusive classroom. Okay, then here what we have learned. So evolution of intelligence theory. Early theories, Spearman G factor proposed on single general intelligence. Then it comes to multifaceted approach. Thurstone, Cattell introduced the multiple components of intelligence. Then contextual perspectives. Sternberg emphasized an analytical, creative and ability. Okay, multiple intelligence. Gardner proposed 8 distinct types of intelligence we already discussed. Then educational impact. Okay, MI theory transformed teaching approaches and student assessment. Okay, so let us test. Question 1. Who proposed the theory of multiple intelligence? It is very important. C. A. Spearman, B. Thurstone, C. Gardner, D. Sternberg. C. The answer is C. Gardner proposed the multiple intelligence theory. So let us go for the second question. Which intelligence type related to self-awareness? Okay, self-awareness says about ourselves, not comparing with others. Okay, interpersonal, intrapersonal, spatial, linguistic. It is intrapersonal. The answer is B. Question 3. How many types of intelligence did Gardner initially propose? We already discussed. It is a 8. Okay. This is about my small presentation. If you like this channel, kindly subscribe and like, share with your friends. Thank you for listening my class. All the best for your coming examination.